Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to upload a video to your True Social account on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for True Social, also have access to a video that we will be uploading. In this tutorial, we are using a video, a screen recording that I did like 10 minutes ago, exported in 4K. So that should be good to upload to the account. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So let's now go all the way down to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Now let's go to truthsocial.com. We can use the bookmark shortcut for True Social. Click on this. Make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to the left-hand side navigation menu where we see Compose. This will allow us to compose a truth. If I were to click on the pay-per-click sign to add media attachment, this should take us directly to the desktop. So if I now click on trial video, upload, this should take some time to upload, really depending on the quality of the video. So that itself looks like it has been uploaded. Let's now compose the truth itself. What's really on my mind, I'll just say this is a trial video. In 4K for Computer Science Videos. Let's now click on Truth. Truth posted successfully. Let's click on View. And so if I were to play this video, this is the trial video for Computer Science Videos for the True Social account. And that's it. So we can go one back, go to the profile, scroll up, and there is the video that can be accessed by all the Computer Science Videos fans within True Social. So we can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.